Never have I ever Lubog Kami edition.
Ayan, start na. Never have I ever been caught lying. Never have I ever dated someone older than me. Vincent! Alam ko sa navigation pa mo. Never have I ever dated someone younger than me.
Siya lang si Pepsi lang.
Ay, ako dapat yun. Never have I ever lied to someone in this group. Oh, ang katigasyon lumubog yung babal. Never have I told a secret I wasn't supposed to share.
What?
Never have I ever broken up with someone in text. Never have I ever been cheated on. Never have I ever had a totally online relationship.
Okay.
Never have I ever flirted just to get something I wanted. Ayun lang. Bye-bye.
Yun na yun.
Oo, 8 minutes na eh.